How many squats should you do every day to actually see results? You might think doing more squats means faster muscle growth, but that's not always the case. In fact, doing too many squats without a proper plan can lead to injury or burnout, keeping you further from your fitness goals. The key to building muscle with squats isn't just about the numbers, it's about the right strategy for your body and goals. Whether you're just starting out or have been squatting for a while, understanding the right amount is crucial. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to tailor your squat routine to maximize muscle growth. Forget about one-size-fits-all approaches. This is your step-by-step guide to finding the perfect balance of reps, sets, and weights based on your experience level. You'll learn how beginners can build a strong foundation, how intermediate lifters can break through plateaus, and how advanced squatters can take their results to the next level. Ready to unlock the full potential of your squat routine? Let's get started. Step 1. Understand your fitness level. Before starting any squat routine, it's crucial to know your current fitness level. Are you a beginner or have you been doing squats for some time? Your strength and experience will greatly influence your daily squat goal. By understanding where you are, you'll be able to create a routine that fits your body's needs and ensures steady progress without overdoing it. For beginners, if you've been squatting for a while and want to take your fitness further, focus on muscle size and endurance. Aim for 3-10-4 sets of 15 to 20 squats to improve your muscular endurance, allowing your muscles to work harder for longer. This not only builds strength, but also tones your thighs and glutes for a more defined look. To keep your workouts exciting, try variations like jump squats for a cardio boost, or sumo squats to target your inner thighs and glutes more effectively. These changes will make your routine enjoyable and continuously challenge your muscles, helping you avoid plateaus. For intermediate lifters, once you've mastered the basics and have been squatting consistently for a few months, it's time to increase both the number of sets and the weight you're using. Aim for 4-6 sets of 6-12 squats with heavier weights that challenge you. This method encourages muscle growth and strength development while maintaining proper form. For advanced lifters, if you've been squatting consistently for a while, you might be looking to take your fitness to the next level by focusing on muscle size, endurance, or sculpting your glutes. In this case, aiming for 3-4 sets of 15-20 squats is an excellent strategy. Performing a higher number of repetitions helps improve muscular endurance, which means your muscles can work harder for longer periods without getting tired. This approach not only builds strength, but also tones your thighs and buttocks, giving you a more defined look. To keep your workouts fresh and exciting, consider incorporating squat variations like jump squats, which add a cardio element and boost explosive power, or sumo squats, which target your inner thighs and glutes more intensely. These variations not only make your routine more enjoyable, but also challenge your muscles in different ways, promoting overall fitness and preventing plateaus in your progress. Step 2. Pay attention to your goals. Your goals largely dictate how many squats you should do. If your aim is to build muscle mass, focus on a mix of heavier weights and lower reps. Alternatively, if you want to increase endurance or tone your body, higher reps with lighter weights or bodyweight squats may be more suitable. To increase muscle size, hypertrophy, use moderate to heavy weights with 6 to 12 reps per set. You should feel significant resistance during the last few reps. Squatting with weights, such as dumbbells or a barbell, stimulates muscle growth and helps achieve a strong, muscular look. For toning and muscular endurance, opt for higher repetitions. Bodyweight squats or lighter-weighted squats with 15 to 20 reps per set help build lean muscle and improve endurance. This approach also aids in fat burning and shapes your legs and glutes for a more defined appearance. Step 3. Adjust according to your progress. As you continue your squat journey, adjusting your routine is crucial for ongoing improvement and muscle growth. Once you start building strength, you may find your workouts becoming less challenging. This is a sign that your body is adapting, and it's time to increase the intensity. Regularly checking in on your progress will help you avoid plateaus where your muscles stop growing. One effective way to adjust is by increasing the weight you use during squats. If you've been doing bodyweight squats or using light weights, consider incorporating heavier options like dumbbells or a barbell. Start with a weight that challenges you while still allowing you to maintain good form. Gradually increasing the weight as your muscles adapt will lead to significant gains in strength and size over time. Even small increments can make a big difference, so challenge yourself a little more each week. If adding weight isn't feasible, you can increase the number of repetitions or sets. For example, if you've been doing 3 sets of 10 squats, try increasing it to 4 sets or aiming for 15 reps per set. Incorporating variations like sumo squats or Bulgarian split squats will also target different muscle groups, keeping your workouts fresh and challenging. By continuously adjusting your routine based on your progress, you'll not only prevent boredom, but also ensure your muscles are constantly being challenged, leading to better results. Conclusion: what's the perfect number? So how many squats should you do daily to build muscle? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here's a recap. Beginners: start with 2 to 3 sets of 10-15 squats. Intermediate lifters: do 4 to 6 sets of 6 to 12 squats with added weight. Advanced lifters: aim for 3 or 4 sets of 15 to 20 squats, using heavier weights or incorporating variety. The key is consistency, gradual progression, and focusing on form. Squats are a powerful exercise that can help you build muscle, improve strength, and enhance your overall fitness. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your training to the next level, make sure to adjust your squat routine based on your goals and progress. As you continue on your fitness journey, what adjustments have you found most effective in your squat routine? Are there specific challenges you've faced that we can help you overcome? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout guides. Thanks for watching.